Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about alarms. Are you having a hard time waking up because of the sound or the volume of your alarm? Okay, so what we're going to want to do is go into your clock. To change the sound, first we're just going to go ahead and click whatever your alarm is. You might have multiple ones, so click the one you want. And underneath you'll see sound right here. This is for iOS 18 and above, and maybe some of the ones below. But then now you'll see. So that's the default one. I always have a difficult time waking up to this one. So play around. And you can see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. This one's a decent one to wake up to. This one's a little bit too light. So, you know, for different purposes, like if you're taking a work nap or something, maybe you might want to use a lighter one, daytime nap. But there's a whole variety of different... This one's kind of annoying, it'll wake you up. And then these are classic ones from before. So if you're used to the old... if you're used to the old volumes, you could go here. I'm sorry, the old sounds. But yeah, go ahead and try it out. And you can mess around with the sound and then adjust it. And the last video, I showed you how to change the volume on your alarm. So go ahead and try that at home and hope it helps out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.